Okay. Good morning, students. Today we will do Cartesian sign conventions for spherical lenses. First point is object is always kept on left hand side of the lens. Second point is all distances are measured from optical center taken as 0. Third point is all distances in direction of incident ray, that is on right hand side, are taken as positive, and all distances against incident ray, that is from optical center to left hand side, are taken as negative in both the lenses, in concave lens as well as in convex lens. Fourth point is object is always kept above principal axis, so height of object is taken as positive. Real images, they are formed in convex lens below the principal axis and they are taken as negative. And virtual images, they are formed above the principal axis and they are taken as positive. Here I have made a brief chart. U is object distance and it is always kept on left hand side, so negative sign is given in convex lens as well as concave lens. Focal length of convex lens is positive. Focal length of concave lens is negative. Image distance when it is real image is positive and when virtual image it is negative. In case of concave lens, only one type of image is formed, that is virtual and erect, so it is always negative. Height of object, because it is kept above principal axis, so it is positive in both the cases. Height of image, positive in virtual images and negative in real images because they are formed below the principal axis. Here is lens formula. Lens formula is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Magnification of lenses, this is equal to height of image upon height of object, that is H2 upon H1. Another definition for magnification of lenses is ratio of image distance to object distance, that is V upon U. Magnification is a ratio, so it does not have any unit. Combining these second and third, we will get H2 upon H1 is equal to V upon U. Yes, students, our next topic is power of a lens. The degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by a lens is expressed in terms of its power. Power of a lens is defined as reciprocal of its focal length in meter. It is represented by letter P. So here is the formula for power of lens. Power of lens is equal to 1 by F in meters. When focal length is in centimeters, then power of lens is equal to 100 by F. SI unit of power of a lens is diopter and it is represented by capital D. Now what is a diopter? A diopter is the power of lens whose focal length is equal to 1 meter. A diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is equal to 1 meter. Then we have combination of power of lenses. When two or more lenses of different types, they are combined, then combination of power of lenses, it is equal to, that is combined power, it is equal to algebraic sum of individual powers of the lens. Combined power of that particular combination is equal to power of individual objects, that is algebraic sum of power of individual lenses, that is equal to combined power of lenses. And if we want to find out equivalent focal length of combination, that is equal to 1 by f. F is equivalent focal length, that is equal to 1 by f1. F1 is focal length of lens whose power is p1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f3 and so on. Thank you.